Starting the daily challenge. I will accept the cookie banner first. Then I will make an initial guess of inception to get baseline feedback on type, year, and rating. I'll type the title, press enter to select the first suggestion, and click guess. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with up arrow, so target is newer than 2012. Rating is red with down arrow, so target rating is lower than 8.3. No overlap in genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors, or directors. Constraints, movie, 2012, 8.3 rating, not action/adventure/sci-fi. Target is a movie, newer than 2012, rating lower than 8.3, and not action/adventure/sci-fi. I will guess Get Out 2017, horror/mystery/thriller to test these genres in a newer year. Type card is green for Get Out movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with up arrow, so target is newer than 2017. Rating is yellow with up arrow, so target rating is higher than 7.8 between 7.9 and 8.3. No overlap in genres horror, mystery, thriller, actors, or directors. Constraints, movie, 2017, rating 7.9-8.3, not horror/mystery/thriller. Target is a movie, year greater or equal 2020 red up arrow from 2017, rating 7.9-8.3 yellow up arrow from 7.8. Genres exclude action, adventure, sci-fi, horror, mystery, thriller. I will guess Poor Things 2023, comedy/drama/romance, 8.0 rating to test these new genres in a recent year. Type card is green for Poor Things movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is yellow with down arrow, so target is older than 2024 but within 2 years 2022 or 2023. Rating is yellow with up arrow, so target rating is higher than 7.8 but within 0.5, 7.9 to 8.3. Genres comedy and drama are green, so the target has both. Romance is gray. No actor or director overlap. Constraints, movie, 2022-2023, rating 7.9-8.3 as comedy and drama. Target is a movie. Year is 2022 or 2023 yellow down arrow from 2024. Rating is 7.9 to 8.3 yellow up arrow from 7.8. Genres include comedy and drama. I will guess The Holdovers 2023, comedy/drama, 8.0 rating which fits all these constraints perfectly. We nailed it in just 4 guesses. The answer was The Holdovers, pinning down the 2022-2023 release window, and the comedy/drama genre combo from our last guess gave us exactly what we needed to solve it.